Okay, in case of respiration, energy is released after the breakdown of food in the form of ATP molecules. Understood about respiration? Respiration is complex process which involves in the breakdown of food to release energy in the form of ATP molecule. Okay, complete? Okay, respiration is of two types. First one is aerobic respiration, second one is anaerobic respiration. We have already discussed in aerobic respiration. First one, aerobic respiration. In this respiration, the breakdown of food takes place in the presence of oxygen. This type of respiration takes place in human beings, animal and in birds. Second one is anaerobic respiration. What does it mean, anaerobic? Anaerobic respiration means the breakdown of food in the absence of oxygen. It will mostly take place in fungus, especially in yeast cell. Okay, complete. Now we will come our special topic, very interesting topic, that is our human respiratory system. Okay, as we can also describe, we also describe this one with the help of this chart. Okay, firstly we will start from the main respiratory organ which involve in the respiration. Okay, the first one, you will repeat the name with me. The organ which involve in the respiration is nose. Repeat with me. Nose.
Nose.
Nostrils.
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 Nasal passage.
Nasal passage.
Nasal passage.
Nasal passage.
Pharynx.
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 Larynx.
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 Trachea.
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 Rings of cartilage.
Rings of cartilage.
Rings of cartilage.
Rings of cartilage.
Lung.
Lungs.
Lung.
Lungs.
Bronchi.
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 Bronchioles.
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 Ribs.
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 Rib cage.
Rib cage.
Rib cage.
Rib cage.
Alveoli.
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 And diaphragm.
And diaphragm.
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 These all are the main respiratory organ. We will discuss in detail right now how respiration will take place in our body. Okay, listen me everyone carefully. Firstly, we will take especially oxygen from our environment with the help of nose. Okay, our nose has the presence of two opening or two holes. We call these holes nostrils. Okay, we have pair of nostrils or two nostrils. Okay, after this the air will enter in the nasal passage. Okay, our nasal passage has the presence of two things. First one is mucus, second one is hairs. Okay, our nasal passage has the presence of two things. First one is mucus, second one is hairs. These two things help in the prevention of entry of dust or dirt particle in our body. They also trap the microbes. Understood?
Yes,
what is
sir.
the function of hairs and mucus? Complete? Okay, after this one, the air we inhale enter in our next part, that is called the pharynx. Okay, what is pharynx? Pharynx is the common passage or pathway for the food and air. We know that we eat food with the help of mouth and we inhale air with the help of nose. And there is a one point where both food and air meet with each other. That point is called the pharynx. Complete about pharynx. Where food and air meet with each other, that opening or that point is called the pharynx. Complete. After pharynx, the food will go down through the food pipe and the air will go down through the larynx or trachea. Okay, next one part of human respiratory system is larynx. This one part is larynx. Okay, what is larynx? Larynx is the voice box. Okay, it helps in the production of the sound. We can produce sound with the help of larynx. Complete?
Yes.
After larynx, okay, this one tube-like structure, that is called the trachea. Trachea is also called the windpipe. What is another name of trachea?
Windpipe.
Windpipe. Okay. As we can see, this one windpipe is covered with some rings. These rings are called the rings of
Cartilage.
Okay, what is the function of rings of cartilage? Rings of cartilage especially prevent the trachea from collapsing. Okay, they will help to prevent this windpipe from collapsing. Okay, after this one, after windpipe, the air we inhale will enter in our lungs through two branches. This one, trachea or windpipe, will split into two main branches. These two branches we call the bronchi. Understood?
Yes, sir.
These two branches are called the bronchi. After this, these bronchi will split into thin further branches that we call the bronchioles. We can say these one thin branches, we call these branches are the bronchioles. Understood?
Yes, sir.
As we can say, at the tip of these bronchioles or the termination of these bronchioles has the sac-like structure or balloon-like structure. These ones balloon-like structure. We will call these balloon-like structure alveoli. What we call that balloon-like structure?
Alveoli.
Yes, very good, dear friends. Okay, alveoli are the balloon-like structure which are present in the termination of the bronchioles. What happen at alveoli? What is the function of alveoli? Alveoli is the major part of human respiratory system. This is the site of exchange of gases. Exchange of gases take place with the help of alveoli. Alveoli has the presence of the extensive network of the blood capillaries. Means they are directly connected with the blood. Understood? Okay, next one, there is one another muscular part that is called the diaphragm. What is the name of that one muscular part?
Diaphragm.
Okay, above the diaphragm, this one all cavity, we will call that one cavity thoracic cavity or chest cavity. Okay, what is the name of cavity where lungs are located? What is the name of that cavity? Thoracic cavity or chest cavity. Repeat with me, thoracic cavity.
Thoracic cavity.
Okay, very good. Okay, below these one diaphragm, there are some organs of digestive system like liver and stomach. That one cavity below the diaphragm is called the abdominal cavity. What is the name of that cavity?
Abdominal cavity.
Okay, very good. As we know that we have two lungs or one pair of lungs. Okay, these lungs are very delicate. They are not hard in nature. Okay, so there is need of protection. So there are special framework of bones around the lungs which protect the lungs. We will call that frameworks as the rib cage or ribs. Our lungs has how many ribs? 24 ribs. Okay, or 12 pair of ribs. Okay, understood? These all about. After this one, we will understood how exchange of gases take place. Okay, listen me carefully with the help of this diagram. Firstly, we will take oxygen from the nose through nostril. It will enter into pharynx, then larynx, then trachea, then bronchi, bronchioles, then alveoli. What will happen at alveoli? Alveoli has the presence of the blood. It is attached to the blood. It is directly attached to the blood vessels. Okay, what will happen? The oxygen will release into the blood like this one. We inhale oxygen from here. When it reaches to alveoli, okay, it reaches at alveoli, the oxygen will release into the blood vessel. It is taken up by the arteries. Okay, where it go to the cell where oxidation of food take place. Okay, oxidation of food take place, and after oxidation of food take place, what will release? Energy and carbon dioxide. And this one, carbon dioxide, the concentration of carbon dioxide is less in case of cell, then it will release directly into the blood due to the process of the diffusion. After this one, this carbon dioxide will move in blood vessel and reach at the alveoli. At alveoli, the concentration of carbon dioxide is very less. So the carbon dioxide will move or release directly into the alveoli. Here, alveoli, and it will move back. Alveoli to bronchioles, bronchiole to bronchi, bronchi to trachea, larynx, pharynx, then nasal cavity, and through our nostrils, the carbon dioxide is given out. Understood? As we can say this one about this with the help of this one respiratory system. This is all about human respiratory system. Yes. Anyone have any question? Any doubt?
Sir, what is the length of trachea?
Okay, yes, that one trachea. Trachea is also called the windpipe. Good question. Okay, trachea is approximately 4 to 5 inch long. Okay, understood? Anyone want to ask any question? Any other question? Okay, this is all about the human respiratory system or respiration. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.